For well over 30 years, we've been bringing students on the biology, zoology and ecology and conservation pathways to Bologna in the south of Spain for their first year field course.
It was really lovely just to be introduced to some of the native flowers, the native plants that were here, and to see some of the things that we'd learned about in our lectures really come to life. It's really special that we get to be so much part of our own learning, that it's not just imparted to us. We're really given a chance to explore things and almost find out for ourselves, and the lecturers are just kind of there guiding us.
For the first 2 days, we spend time teaching them the taxonomy of the plants and arthropods that they're going to find here. And then we teach them ecology techniques, how they can measure the diversity, how they can understand interactions and associations of different organisms, so that at the last 2 days of the course, they can actually start to develop their own research, and they can go from being students to researchers and scientists in the space of 8 days.
So at the start of the week, we had Plant or Arthropod Day. We went out into the field and we looked at the different plant families or the arthropod families, learning essentially an entire module in a very short amount of time, but hands-on experience makes it sort of sink in a lot better. We had to create a video about a specific family of plant or arthropod. I've developed great team skills, learning to work as part of a team as either a leader or working behind the camera.
The teaching staff are fantastic. They're really helpful, really passionate about everything, and you can go to them with any question and you can really get to know them as well and learn about the environment.
This is the best place you can kind of be when you're doing ecology and biology. Before I came on this trip, I didn't know anything about insects and plants. You pick up so much information so quickly just because you see how things act as they naturally are.
We've got a fantastic staff to student ratio, so they can kind of have that, I guess, more classroom style learning when we're out on site, then also that one-to-one learning that can happen over breakfast, over lunch, over dinner, as you're walking back along the beach. And by the end of the week, we see them passionate about ecology, passionate about the field sites, being incredibly knowledgeable about the organisms, and also we see them designing their own field projects. So we've effectively taken them from students to scientists over the course of a week.